Hello, today we'll be demoing the YAD multifunctional hand wash machine. One of our new products, very functional, portable, lightweight, comes with a mounting station, as you see here. Simple USB micro plug-in right here for power. Optionally, battery compartment for mobility. Hand sanitizer station located at the bottom. Installation simple, comes with a mount, bracket, put on, turn on, and you are ready to go. Instructions are simple. Put your hand in front.
Normal temperature.
It will read your temperature. And for those who want a little bit of sanitation at the bottom, right there, Motion Sense Sanitizer Station, portable model YAD. From Otentic. Thank you.